Okay, here it is. Finally, it is that time. As you know, thanks to the title and the thumbnail of this video, of course, this video is gonna be about the new car that I just bought a couple weeks ago now. I'm way too excited to do this thing. First of all, it is not the one of the cars that I just bought. It is the actual first car I ever get to buy. Ever. First car ever. I wanted to get this exact car for such a long time, but it has been a child dream that evolved into like, is it gonna be happening one day? I don't think so. It's a pretty big investment, an old car. There's a lot of factors that made me, should I actually do it? Should I not do it? But I did, and I'm super excited about this. And I know by now that some of you guys might already be scrolling down to the end of the video to actually see the car, because I haven't been showing anything on social media except this picture. I mean, it's not my fault. I wanted to show it to you guys directly when I got it. The only thing is that you know what happened in the world all over the place. The car is in Los Angeles and I'm still here in the French Riviera by myself, and I still don't know how many more weeks or months I'll have to stay here before I can actually travel, especially go to the US to visit the car. And you guys might be wondering, so why did you buy it in LA if you knew you couldn't really go and pick it up? Or first of all, buying a car over there feels way safer because those are classic American cars. They're very taken care of when they're there. Secondly, I would not do this if I didn't have my Socal Frenchiez friends over there in Los Angeles. They are the one that I would trust the most in the whole world to buy, restore classic cars. So it's two French guys who moved to LA and now they have a huge shop. They are the main classic car importer towards Europe, especially in France, but they're doing it all over in Europe. And they're very good friends of mine and I know them for a long time, so I wouldn't trust anybody else better than them for this type of stuff. So now, let's jump into the question. Why did you want to buy this car? So funny story about this car. I've been wanting to have it so badly for such a long time that I've even had a reminder in my phone to make me think about the car each time I was opening Safari and I wanted to check a new page. Every single time for the last 2.5-3 years or something, I would have this Mustang 68 inside thing that I never actually removed that showed the inside of the car, so I can think about the car even more. Yeah, and just make me think that maybe one day I can actually own one. So yeah, the car is from 1968, 52 years old. It's twice my age. So yeah, it is a Mustang Fastback from 1968 in full black. And you must be wondering, why is he so excited? Because I mean, he bought it a couple days ago already, you've seen the car, you've seen some photos. Yes, I've seen some photos and some videos, but today and exactly now, a couple of my best friends and family living in LA are on their way to actually check out the car for me. So I thought it was a pretty good idea, because since I cannot travel there, the best way to actually live the experience and feel that I'm there and actually can see the car is to have, yeah, my closest people over there and seeing the car themselves. So now I guess at that time they must be filming couple stuff, so yeah, we should just jump directly with them and see what is happening. I think Max is already taking his phone and vlogging. I can hear him.
Yo, good morning. What's going on? It's your boy Max reporting from Los Angeles, California, on my way joining the rest of the crew at Socal Frenchiez. Unfortunately, without Benny to go and see Benny's car, but we're never really without Benny, especially when we have cut out Benny. And it's possibly the best version of Benny for those of you that love this long, scraggly, effervescent hair. It is that version of him. I might have glued him together last night. Benny's always put together with a bit of glue, but he does really come in handy when you have to use a carpool lane and there's no one else in the car and it's for two people, but we do have Benny with us. And like I said, we're on our way down to Socal Frenchiez to check out Benny's brand new Mustang. We're not actually too far away now.
Oh, look who it is! Look who it is! Look who it is!
Alright, let's see what they got for us. Ooh-wee. This place is dope. Alright, so we are in Socal Frenchiez. with Benny. Check this place out. There are some really, really beautiful cars. And for the first time, Benny's seeing a person kind of with a cardboard cutout. Look at this little flick on there. I love it. Did you get a car or a van? Benny, I was pretty sure your car was going to be bigger and not blue. You know, Benny, I know you said you were going to get a bit of work done to it, but this is a little bit extreme, bro.
Can you feel how much I want this car to be here in the French Riviera so I can take it on the road under the sun? Oh.
So the Socal Frenchiez, bunch of French dudes out here in LA, just pretty much killing the game with all these classic looking cars. And we walked around the garage, which, as you can see, there are quite a lot of cars. And Benny, I'm not just saying this because it's your car. Apparently yours will sound even better, they were saying. But yours is definitely the nicest one here. You can see everyone swanning around it. Oh, you're loving that sound.
Benny, I'm gonna steal your car. Always wanted a Mustang. This is ridiculous, bro. Congrats.
So the better looking version of Benny over here.
Right here.
What? I mean, this is pretty much your car now as well, and you're going to be taking it most of the time. What do you make of it?
Gorgeous. It's a beauty. A little bit of work on the inside, and then you'll be ready to go.
I mean, I can definitely see Benny getting this thing very, very hot and bothered on the French Riviera. I mean, if this thing can't help Benny get a girlfriend, I don't know what will, I think.
I'll borrow it then and take care of it the right way.
Benny, just seeing if he's comfortable in it. Good to see him being safe. I don't think he'd be allowed shipping in France without the mask on. The Ortega brothers. She goes close.
Benny, you got a tape deck. Look at this thing, Benny. Got a f***ing tape deck. Put some discotheque.
So, Charlie, I know this is a very rare and difficult to find over here. How long did it take you to find this beauty?
Well, we were actually lucky on this one because I told Ben that it was going to be hard to find one exactly the color that he wanted because he wanted black only and nothing else. So I was like, it's going to be hard, and especially because black is the hardest paint. I mean, you can see all defects on a black car. So we were like, hey, you probably need to expect to be patient a little bit. And then like in a week we had that car, and it was actually for somebody else, but I did a little micmac because I knew I could find another car, like another color for
Nice, you're hooking Benny up, I love it.
And I was like, hey, this one's gonna be for Ben. It's gonna be really hard to find another black, nice looking car like that. Here it is. We still have a little stuff to do on it.
Nice.
But yeah, it's cool.
It's amazing.
Yep.
Love it, dude. She's a beauty. Okay, bye-bye, Benny. Love you, brother. I just want to point out how beautiful Benny's little flicks of hair are while he's staying nice and safe. All right, peace, bro. Gus, see you later, brother. See you, boys. Merci, merci. Ciao, ciao. Salut, ciao. There you go.
So it begins.
So basically, as you saw on the last shots, a couple of things need to be changed in the car. I won't tell you about what needs to be changed, but some really cool things needs to be changed so the car looks even sicker. And for that, you will have to wait that the car is actually here to discover it with me. So, and by the way, I've been thinking about so many different names for the car because a car needs a name to be alive. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments under, and also let me know if you like the car. You can also like the video, of course, if you like the video, of course, that you know already. And if you haven't, you can still subscribe to that channel because there might be some fun stuff coming up, that's for sure. Thank you so much for watching. It was fun to hang out with you. See you guys soon from the French Riviera. See you guys. Oh, by the way, I thought about something. What if, when the car is here in France, I take it on a road trip across Europe and I pick some of you guys in the car to actually hang out and road trip together? That sounds pretty cool. Sounds cool to me.
Hang on, let's see the brotherly resemblance. Yeah, that looks pretty, except for this. But Benny has always had a pretty big head, in fairness.
Yeah, he does have a big head.
Very strange noises coming out of Morgan. Getting these shots. Thank God Benny has his mask on. Just come back in his natural environment. Hello. He must be a very proud brother right now.
I'm a jealous brother.
Not because of the car, but how Benny can attract so many dudes.
Look at that.
in his own. Oh my God, he's got the most Benny laugh I've ever heard. I'm not too sure who.